Oh, I hate to put long clothes on. Okay.
We found Gary 35, a $1 million policy for only $22 a month. Why pay more? Give your family the security they need at a price you can afford.
Call 1-800-262-1881 or go to selectquote.com now to get the insurance your family needs.
At a price you can afford. Select Quote. We shop, you save.
Struggling to clean tough messes with wipes? Try Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sheets. Just wet, sweep, and erase icky messes in microwaves. And on stovetops. For an amazing clean, get the power of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and disposable sheets.
For your home and the field. To protect and provide. With over 200 models of rifles and shotguns to choose from, there's a Henry that's ready for you. Henrys are made in America or not made at all. Backed by a lifetime warranty. They're reliable and affordable. For a free catalog and decals, call the number.
Dust.
Sorry about that.
Man.
They'll clean it for you after it's done. Sorry. I didn't realize it would fly off there like that.
Oh, Tori's still doing pantry too. I thought you were in the shower.
Not yet.
How many more you got to film?
I think this is the last one. Till Donald gets back, then I'll do the one in his room. I don't want to go in there without his permission.
Did you guys bring towels? I don't have.
We'll figure something out. Get dust on your plate.
Oh yeah.
At least didn't land in your food.
I only have a couple bites left.
Yeah. Didn't realize all the dust was going to fly off. My bad.
That shower,
Mm-hmm.
it's broken. The bottom is. You have to be damn careful where you step and how.
What are you watching?
These are real old shows of Daniel Boone marathons.
Ah.